Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your location on Craigslist. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Craigslist website. Now, first of all, if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then proceed forward with your email address and password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to change your location, then click on the account icon at the top right once again. You will now be taken into your account page, from which click on settings, and this will show you all of your account settings. Now, within the default site section, click on the drop-down menu, and then choose from the list of various different available locations. Just click on your preferred location, and then click on the change button, and now your location will be changed on your Craigslist account right away. Now, every time you log into craigslist.org, you will automatically be redirected into the location's website that you have just set within your profile. You can also browse through various different locations right from the homepage underneath the language drop-down menu. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your location on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.